Hey guys, Matt the Chef here. I have a question for you. Do you know what the most important meal of the day is? You're correct. It's breakfast. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make a quick and tasty breakfast. It's called egg in a hole. I'm also going to show you how to make it even better with ham and fresh squeezed orange juice. Yes, fresh squeezed orange juice, just like your mama made it. Let's get to it. So what you're going to need some bread, some butter, some cheese, and some ham. Oh, don't forget, you're also going to need some eggs. For the fresh squeezed orange juice, you're going to need about, let's see, 4 oranges would be good. And so we're going to take our bread like this. We're going to take some butter. And here's a little tip. If your butter is really hard, what you can do is you can take some hot water, pour it up to the top, let it sit in there for a few minutes, pour it out, and put it on the top so all the steam goes on it and makes it soft. So it'll be a lot easier to spread it around. We're just going to do that. We're going to spread it around on both sides. So I'm going to put it on here on our hot board. It'll get nice and yummy on both sides. Alright, and once you've put butter on both sides, you're done with your butter. By the way, since this is going to be super hot, you could burn yourself really bad. So please have an adult with you because I do not want you to get hurt. What we're going to do, we're going to take a cup or something to cut a hole in it. You can use plastic or glass or whatever. I have glass here. We're just going to put it in here like this, then twist it like that, and we're going to take this out like this. Now that you're done making a little hole, got a little hole for your little egg to go in. Add a dab of butter. I'm not going to do it. I promise I'm not going to do it. Dab! Anyway, after you add a dab of butter onto your pan or griddle, make sure it's hot before you put on the slice of bread. Alright, so now this is the part where we use this. The slightly dangerous part. So what we're going to do, we are just going to take our eggs in a hole like this. Set that down. And set this down. And the holes, keep these because you can go like that. Ooh, nice sizzle. Sizzle. You can have that for like a little snack. And then you want to take your eggs like this. And just crack them inside the hole like that. And we'll take another one. And just crack that inside. That's perfect. You'll want it to be like that. And then, so when it is ready, I can flip these. I think these are ready. Alright, we're going to take this, like that. And then this is where our ham comes in. And you're just going to set it like this. Oh, that's nice. Another piece of ham. This is going to be so good. And we're just going to let that sizzle. We are going to put some salt and pepper, like this. Oop, way too much. But, you know, it's fine. We'll put some pepper on now, like this. And then we are going to take our spatula and flip it, like that. Oh, alright. And I'll do this. So as you saw, I made a little mistake by not putting butter on the pan. So just remember to put butter. And so now that these are ready, put these like that. Flip those so those can take like that. And that, like that. Ooh, that's nice. And then this one is ready, so we'll just take this and put it on there like that. These are ready. Yes, those are like that. Put that like that. And so now that this one's done, we'll just do this and then flip it like that. We'll wait for this one to cook, and then we will be almost done with our delicious food. We won't be done just yet because we still need to make the orange juice. It's done, and we'll set this one on, and then we are done with this. We can set this aside. Now that we are almost done with our food, what we're going to be making next is the orange juice. What you're going to need is a juice strainer. You're also going to need your cutting board back. What's a little good tip to get more juice? You roll it like this. You roll your oranges so you get more juice. Just apply some pressure while you're rolling. We're going to do that with all our oranges. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. What now we're going to do, we're going to take our knife. Be careful with this. And we're just going to cut it in half. What you're going to do next, you're going to take this, put it on the top of that, and then you're going to press down and twist like this. And squeeze. Gets out some of the juice like this. And we'll just keep on doing this with all our oranges. Wow, that took a long time just to make some nice, fresh orange juice. But it's going to be worth it. Like, I mean, it's going to be worth it. And we got some nice, fresh orange juice, which is going to be super good. We can set this aside. What you're going to do, we're going to take this, bring your meal, bring your food back over. This is where the cheese is. What you're going to do, you are going to take your cheese, medium cheddar cheese. We're just going to do this and just grate it like this. And then you're done. I'm glad you were able to join me for this video. Let me know in the comments if you try this recipe. Or maybe you do this differently. You can maybe teach me how to do it your way. Subscribe if you haven't, leave a like, and share with your friends and family. I'm going to go enjoy my food with my family now. Bye!